Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I upload videos about once a week, usually about makeup and sometimes about skincare, lifestyle, fashion, hair, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram at Loria1, where I upload lifestyle photography, some travel photos, food, that sort of thing, so please follow me there as well. Today I'm going to be talking about the Olay Regenerist line of products. I've been using them for the past couple of months, and I recorded weekly-ish check-ins, sort of see the progress of the products and how I was feeling about them at that point. I'll do my final thoughts at the end. So if you want to see my complete review of the Olay Regenerist products, then please keep on watching. Okay, so a bit of a sort of intro before I go into my check-in videos. Around the holidays, around Christmas time, so there was a sale going on at one of the local drugstores near me where they had a gift set of 3 products, which I'm about to show you, on sale for a decent price. So I bought it to try it out, and then here's my review. So the first product is a Micro-sculpting scrub cleanser. Cleans and exfoliates to diminish the look of pores for clear, purified skin. So it's got like micro beads, all that stuff. And then the second one, they call it a Miracle Boost Concentrate. I think it's like a serum. I don't really I never use serums, so I don't really know like what it is that they do, but I assume that's what this is. And then the last one, which was really the reason why I bought this thing, is the Micro-sculpting cream. So it's like a night cream, a moisturizer, that sort of thing. So that's about it for those products. And now let's jump into my check-ins. So it's 11:53 p.m. on Tuesday, May 1st. I didn't plan this video before, so I probably should have started this video in the morning, but I started a new job today, so there's a lot going on, so I'm going to start day 1 in the evening. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I just washed my face with soap, so I'm going to start off with this cleanser, and hopefully it doesn't make my face break out. Apply product, work into lather, and massage gently over face. Rinse thoroughly. Okay. Oh, wow. I can feel those micro beads. It smells nice. It smells like perfumey, but not in an obnoxious way. And I'm gonna rinse. Okay, so next I'm going to use this Miracle Boost. I think it's like a serum. So it says use morning and night on cleansed skin before moisturizer. So, oh, I see it because, okay. Okay, how do you actually get it out though? Oh, I see, it's like an eyedropper. Okay, that's interesting. So, okay, so it's, I guess, like an eyedropper. Oh, I see. I'm gonna just do 2 pumps. I don't know how much of this to use. And I'm just gonna, ooh, okay. Okay, my skin's starting to feel a little irritated with this one. I have some open skin patches for here. Alright, so the areas that my skin was irritated when I put it on are actually settling down a little bit. I have some redness over here, but I'm hoping that'll go away. And then the last step is this Micro-sculpting cream. Smooth evenly over your entire cleansed face and neck, morning and night. This one also feels kind of oil-based, but it feels very hydrating. My skin's getting a little irritated, but again, I have open patches of skin. Smells similar to the cleanser. One thing I'll say right off the bat is this cover that's supposed to keep the product fresh. If you don't align it completely, product gets like on the sides, so I don't love that. But this has been day 1, and so far so good. Okay, so it's night number 2, which I guess I'll just refer to it as day 2 because I started day 1 at night. So this is what my skin looks like. I followed the instructions on the Olay packaging. I might have over exfoliated my skin. My eczema is really flared. Like, this is like the worst I've seen it in a while. And this is after putting an ice pack on my face because my face just like hurts. So I think it's a combination of over exfoliating my skin with the cleanser, which I think I'm gonna skip for the next few days. I'll do it on my forehead because that area gets greasy, but I'm gonna skip it on my cheeks because they are not happy. So it's a combination between the cleanser probably over exfoliating my skin, my eczema flaring, wearing my Kat Von D foundation, which is very drying and very matte, and I was sweating underneath that, so like half my makeup came off. It was like just like a really patchy, really cakey mess today. I took it off because it was just getting really irritating. So it was like my sweat mixing with my foundation, and then I was driving a lot today and it was very sunny. It was like 27 degrees or something like that. So the sun was hitting me, and I think I actually got a little sunburnt on my face. Even though I put on sunscreen, it didn't seem to be enough. So it was like all those things, over exfoliating, my drying foundation, my eczema flaring because of my drying foundation, my sweat also irritating my skin and being trapped under my drying foundation, and then possibly being sunburnt. So my skin is very angry with me right now. So I think I'm gonna do the, I don't know what they call it, like I'm gonna do steps 2 and 3 and just use the cleanser up here. But that is my update for day 2. Okay, so we're gonna ignore what's going on with my hair right now. I'm trying to do some overnight heatless curls. So I've been trying a few different methods this week, and if I find something that works, then I might make a video about it. Okay, so it's May 7th, so it's day 7 of 31 days of Olay, and this is what my skin is looking like. It's a lot better than the last time I checked in. I haven't been using the face wash cleanser too much. I've been using it a little bit on my forehead, kind of like every other day or whatever, not very frequently. I'm avoiding it on my cheeks completely, but I have been using the, I'm just going to call it a serum, even though I know it's not a serum, the step 2 sort of like dropper thing. So I've been using that in the moisturizer on my complete face. So sometimes the moisturizer, sort of like step 3, burns kind of like this upper cheek area. I have a little bit of redness, so sometimes I get a little bit of irritation, but it seems to go away pretty soon after I apply it. And I've started to reintroduce some of my regular skincare routines just because my face seems to really need it. So I've been going back to my Benefit toner, and then I've also been adding some of my regular moisturizers. And when my face was really bad on day 2, I actually put some Vaseline on my face, and that actually cleared up a lot of my irritation. So that's that. Oh yeah, one more thing. I seem to notice, so I haven't been using the step 2 and 3 moisturizers during the day because I find it like pills, like you know how like there's like little like white bits that come off of my face that I'm pretty sure are from the moisturizer, and I think it's reacting with my concealer or something. And since I started using those products, my concealer doesn't seem to stick as well as it usually does, and like same thing with foundation to my face. It breaks apart easier, and I never had that problem before. So I'm pretty sure it's the moisturizer that I'm using. So I haven't been using those moisturizers during the day because I find it really interferes with my regular makeup, but I have been using it at night. You can't really see it so much. I'm not really sure if it's helping my fine lines on my forehead. Some days they seem to have mostly gone away, and then other days they're there. So I don't really know, but I'm gonna continue using them. But yeah, other than that, my face looks pretty good, but I don't know if it's fully, well, I don't think it's fully from those. I think it's like a combination of those and my regular skincare routine. But yeah, the pilling of like sort of the moisturizer like separating almost and becoming like white little like balls, almost like teeny tiny little like micro beads almost on my face, that's super annoying. So it's like one thing I'm really not happy about. So I'm doing a quick check-in. It's May 24th. I've been really bad about filming these videos. So far so good. I'm noticing forehead wrinkles are definitely disappearing, but my eczema is starting to flare up a little bit on my cheeks, and I'm not sure if that's from the serum and moisturizer or if it's from my sunscreen that I've been using, because it definitely feels irritated when I put the serum and moisturizer on. So I've sort of been avoiding just this area over here, which you can see is like a little pink. But I have been putting it on my forehead and the rest of my face, and I think I'm noticing an improvement. I'm definitely really liking the moisturizer. I feel like it really hydrates my face. So I use these products for a month and tried to do regular check-ins. It was a bit difficult because I just started a new job, so just like adjusting to a new schedule was a bit difficult. Overall, final thoughts. So at the end of the first month, I didn't really love these, and I was sort of hesitant to film a video where I was just like, I hate these, they didn't do anything. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a bit more time. So I kept using them throughout the second month. And at about, I guess like a month and a half in, I started to notice that the fine lines on my forehead were starting to diminish. So even like when I raise my eyebrows, you know, the skin moves and it looks all like wrinkly and whatever. So I noticed that was definitely diminished. My forehead looked smoother, and just in general, the skin on my face looked smoother. But I didn't notice that after the first month. I didn't really see much of a difference. It was only about the like 1.5 month mark that I really noticed a difference. So just interesting. I mentioned this in the clips, but I don't use cleansers, and I've mentioned this in other videos as well. I don't use cleansers. I find them pretty harsh on my skin. I have very sensitive eczema prone skin, and I found this too rough on my skin, which I should have known, like microbeads and exfoliating, probably not the best idea. So it's too bad because I liked it otherwise. It just really irritated my skin, like it sort of rubbed it raw. So definitely not going to be using that. The other two products, the like serum miracle boosting and then the micro-sculpting cream, I really like these. I don't know how much this actually does. I felt like this was sort of more effective on its own. Like I have been using these two together for the past couple of months, but I don't really know like what this does. Like I don't really feel anything on my skin with this, whereas this one, like I can definitely feel my skin being hydrated. So all in all, out of the trio of products, did not like this. That's just because of my skin type. It just was not effective, but I feel like maybe someone who has like greasier, more oily skin might benefit from something like this. This like serum thing, don't really know what it did. I personally didn't feel like it was really effective, really worth anything. And then this one I think is a winner. I really liked it actually. My skin definitely does look smoother, nicer, healthier, more glowy, which could be also the fact that it's summer. Summer is in full blast right now. So in general, my skin is better in the summer. I'm less prone to eczema breakouts. At the same time, I did notice that fine lines disappeared after using this product. So all in all, I mean, I can't remember exactly, but I think the gift set was pretty much about the value of this. So it's like you were getting 3 products for like the price of 1-ish. Not disappointed, but would I buy this again? And would I recommend this? I'd say yeah, probably I would. I think this is good. I think also the price point is like pretty darn good. So good job, Olay. I'm really impressed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more skincare videos. I don't really do much for skincare, to be honest, but if people want to learn more about what I do for my skin, I'm also thinking about doing an eczema-friendly skincare routine, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.